Hey guys, John at Fix-A-Fence again. Here we go. Check this out. Fence News, October 2025. My goodness, it finally made it here. But I just want to let you guys know, if you do sign up for this magazine via email, make sure you check your spam box or the trash folder. That's where my confirmation was. I had to, click the confirmation to make sure that they know it's me, know it's you. But anyway, hey, man, let's check this out. Open this thing together, Fix-A-Fence LLC. Let's just get into it, right? Come on. There we go. Let's just get right into it. Yeah, there we go, baby. Look at that. So, it's a little glued-on advertisement. It's glued on. It's called Iron World. And ironworldfencing.com. They provide aluminum, steel, iron, vinyl, and slide gates. And they are located, I don't know. It doesn't say. Anyway, Ironworks. But, hey, check that out, though, man. Ooh, talk about top of the chain. So this is kind of what we're getting at. Look at all these ads. I mean, my goodness, this thing is full of just huge. I mean, here's my hand. Look at how huge this is. And my goodness, durability you can trust. Abbey Hardware. Durability you can trust. Prices you'll love. So apparently they are the fencing supply experts. But anyway, like Magnus, look out and keep the monsters out, whatever. I mean, my goodness. So this is basically the table of contents here, it looks like. Safety and a snap, special sections, gate safety, industry news, business, management, events, and more. So, it's like the last time I had a video, I just did a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and this is what we're going to do. So this is just huge. I mean, look at this. My goodness, it's a huge magazine, and it's thick. There's a lot of content here, guys. I could read you a lot of stuff if I want. There's that one right there. You're only as good as your stain. So anyway, all right, a little bit of fence news right here going on, but we'll see what goes on. Maybe I'll pull a story out and read it to you. We'll see what goes on. All right, hang in there. So as you can see, guys, that there's plenty of magazine here to read. There's lots of commercials in here, or advertisements, but and then there's this other thing, a comic strip called Pete and Jake, and some of them are pretty doggone funny. And so, but I wanted to read this one to you here. This is what I was getting at. I kind of like these videos I want to start producing here, so creating for you guys here. This one here's Deck Specialist launches new podcast featuring Vanilla Ice as first guest. Go figure that, right? So the Deck Specialist, the leading North America magazine for outdoor living professionals, has officially launched the Deck Specialist podcast. The inaugural episode features Rob Van Winkle, better known as Vanilla Ice, who shared insights into his second career as a luxury builder, TV personality, and outdoor design enthusiast. In the debut episode, sponsored by Regal Ideas, Vanilla Ice discussed his journey from pop culture icon to construction expert, lessons learned from decades of flipping high-end homes, and his love for outdoor design. The new podcast series offers conversations with builders, designers, and business leaders who are shaping the future of decks, patios, and outdoor spaces. With a focus on real-world experiences and expert strategies, the podcast is a natural extension of deck specialist mission to inform and inspire professionals in the decking and building materials industry. So right there, Vanilla Ice making news. My goodness, I'm not sure if you want me to read the rest of this. There's not much left to it, but you know what? I guess might as well finish this off, and that way you guys won't have to read it. You just sit here and listen to me, huh? We're excited to bring our readers and industry pros a new way to connect with the voices driving innovation in outdoor living, says Sarah Graves, host of the podcast. The editor of Deck Specialist. Launching with Vanilla Ice allows us to highlight both the craftsmanship and the energy that define this industry. The Deck Specialist podcast is available now on all major podcast platforms. Additional episodes will be released throughout the year, featuring interviews with contractors, product innovators, and business experts across North America. Deck Specialist is a North American magazine online resource focused on the lumber and building materials industry, specifically decks and outdoor living projects. It's a trade publication designed for professionals in the building products sector, including builders, contractors, and decision makers. The magazine provides inspiration, business strategies, and industry insights through articles, videos, and profiles of the best outdoor living products. Sounds like I might have to just order me another magazine. A bunch of content in there. But anyway, there you go, right? Another story from Fence News, USA, October 2025. And so, like I said before, if you guys sign up for this magazine, make sure you check your spam folder to confirm it, because that's kind of where it went. It just took me a while to figure that out, but hey, they're good at getting it to you. There's lots of stuff in here to look at, as you can see by some of the my little pictures that I took, and left them behind. Some of those advertisements, hey, we all need an advertisement, right? And so this is a little bit of free advertising for the people in this magazine here. So, right? Just goes on my video channel, but no big deal, right? So if you like what you're seeing, let me know in the comments below. And like I said, if you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, please do so now. That really helps this little fence channel grow. And again, thanks for your comments. All those people that have been commenting, it's kind of cool that people are actually watching and listening to this. It makes me want to do more. You know what I mean? But anyway, with that being said, that's Fence News for this week. Maybe I can come up with something next time. Sign up for another magazine or something like that. but anyway, yeah, I'm just trying to bring the fence news to you guys. That's what this is, a fence channel, fence, family, and fun. And I have fun doing this. I do. I really have fun sitting here and talking to you guys in this camera, face to face. If you're listening or not, I hope you are, but if not, no big deal either way. I'm still having fun at doing this. So, well, anyway, like it says in here, I'm only as good as my stain. So I don't want to stain this video too much. So anyway, you guys keep smiling. Have a great day. All right. Thanks for watching.